This ATM man is on trend these days. Have to try it. Wow, that works. Thank you. I heard this is famous. Let's have a go. That's weird. Why doesn't this work? Is it out of order?
Nope.
I'm mad. What do you need? What? What do you want now? Give me the money. Always have to apply the heavy measures. Remember me next time. Here's yours. Why is this girl so lazy? I have to teach you a lesson. What are you doing? Stay away from me. What's this? Help! You deserve it. Don't scold me next time. I haven't kissed anyone in my life. Before any emotions, those lips get punched. Hi, I've been here since this afternoon. Hi, I've been waiting for you. You've turned the green light. Here I come.
Nope.
Huh. Where's this guy from? Want to steal my girl? Go! Now! Move! The happiest thing on earth is looking at you. You are nice, but I'm so sorry. Hey, my necklace! Thief!
Hey!
It's always great at the beginning of relationship. Kids now have a lot of skills. Look at that girl's boyfriend. I want that too. Okay, my love. I'm coming. Sorry, it was not my intention. You look pale. Let me put on the lipsticks for you. Wow, she's pretty.
I love you, baby.
Don't look at her anymore, Bun. You've forgotten your mission.
That's pretty good. What?
God, you always staring at ghosts. I'll not go easy on you this time. Sorry, girl.
Sorry, Freeman. Sorry, Freeman.